Now, let's derive an expression for the potential energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. See, particles executing simple harmonic motion will have both type of energy. They have kinetic energy because the particles are in motion. Due to the virtue of motion, they have kinetic energy. They also have potential energy because they are changing the position. The particle keeps changing the position, or it is due to the restoring force acting on the particle, there is potential energy. The potential energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion can be defined as the work done in moving the particle from the mean position to a position of displacement y. So now let's derive an expression for potential energy. Potential energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is equal to, or it is nothing but, work done in moving the particle from its mean position, say this is the mean position, to a position of displacement y, to a position of displacement y, and this is given by potential energy is equal to half ky square. It's an elastic potential energy which is given by half ky square, where k is the force constant and y is the displacement, that is to the position to which the particle has come from mean position. Now, we know that the restoring force is directly proportional to displacement. So that I can say F is equal to minus k times of y, where k is the constant of proportionality, y is the displacement. Negative sign indicates that the restoring force is in a direction opposite to that of displacement. But F is equal to ma, that is equal to minus ky, where m is the mass of the particle executing simple harmonic motion, a is the acceleration. But we know that the acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is given by omega square y. This expression we have already derived, is equal to minus ky. Take off minus sign on both sides, y and y cancel out. So now we are left with k is equal to m omega square. K is equal to m omega square. Therefore, potential energy, I substitute for k in this expression, half, for k it is m omega square, and we have y square, so many joules. So this is the expression for the potential energy of a particle executing simple harmonic motion.